Hi Pisces, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Pisces, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. Pisces, we are picking few cards. These are for your general energies, guys, and this is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation, guys. Pisces. And I also have a pick a card love reading right after this general energy. So if you are interested, you can watch that reading, guys. So that will follow this general energy. So we have 10 of swords, devil in reverse, and 2 of swords. So Pisces, in your situation today, guys, maybe in your heart of hearts, you know something is telling you that you need to go by this way. Maybe you know the truth about some person or some situation, and you want to go for a particular decision or a choice. But if you make that choice, this person you love is going to get hurt, or it may be your friend or a family member. They are going to get hurt, guys, and you are making a very honest decision, maybe based on truth. You know what is the truth, and your heart is telling you what you need to do, and you feel really, what to say, blinded by that love you have for this person, or blinded by that trust you have on this person, maybe your friend or a family member, or the true intentions you have on them. So something is blinding you, stopping you from making the right decision today, guys. And you feel really, you have a lot of pain because of this. You are worried because you were thinking greatly about this person, but what they are is something um, not acceptable for you. So you love them. That is the reason you are not making that crucial decision today, guys. And that is giving you a lot of pain, because you are straying away from truth, straying away from that right action today, guys. So some kind of difficulty, stress, or worries because of that. Maybe you are making an important decision because this person may have some addictions, guys. It may be some kind of a bad behavior they are having. So you are trying hard, trying to make a harsh decision, but you are unable to do it because you love them. So that is what I see, guys, Pisces, with these cards. Let's see what is a card for your relationship. We have Ace of Wands in reverse. So with this card, I see that you have love, you have that understanding, but you need to be, what to say, on your toes to make this relationship work. Maybe there are some difficulties, and you are making tremendous efforts to be in this love or be in this connection. Maybe the reasons may be addictions, guys, may come in between. You are trying to help this person, trying to help them to come out of it. So that is what I see, guys. Let's see what is the card for your career situation. We have Knight of Wands in reverse. So with this card, guys, maybe in your career there are some delays or suspensions. You may see some minor troubles are there in your situation, guys, Pisces. So that is the reading, guys. If you are interested, you can watch the fairy tale pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, today we have three cards. So you can think about your situation. Maybe you have some doubts or some questions in your mind. You can think about it. Close your eyes and meditate for a few seconds. Open your eyes and choose the card or the crystal. We have three crystals, guys. So if you choose that way, the reading may resonate. So I will start the reading with this card. This is your first card after a few seconds of silence. So let's meditate together, guys. Okay, guys, so now let's start with this card and this crystal. What it is, let's see what it is. I will keep these cards aside. So let's see what is the card for you all, those who have chosen this card. It is Imagine. So with this card, it just means that all of us have beautiful dreams or fantasies about our life, about our love situation, and we enjoy those fantasies, or we just enjoy daydreaming about this person we love or about our future love. And it may be romantic and extremely pleasing, but you need to understand that if you want that experience in reality, you have to go for that action instead of just daydreaming, guys. And you have to make the efforts, maybe start relating with the people you like. Maybe you can step out, start communicating, and that way you will meet the right person and you will be able to manifest all your dreams that you have. And maybe for some of you, there is someone entering your life, the person of your dreams, with all those beautiful attributes you have dreamt about. So you are going to meet such a person very soon, guys. That is the energy with this card. And if you imagine that way, maybe that person will enter, or if you even imagine that this person is going to enter, and when you have that positive intentions for yourself, it is simply going to manifest. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who have chosen this first card, that is the reading for y'all, guys. So let's see what is the reading with this crystal and this card for those who have chosen the second card. We have turquoise. So that is the crystal spirit card for y'all, guys. So sometimes in our relationship, maybe of our past relationship, or maybe based on our memories or experience, we keep telling a particular story to ourselves, and we simply cannot find the person we love, maybe with those qualities we want. So it is time you just have think of your situation from a different perspective. When you do that, you will realize your mistakes, maybe, guys. So whatever has gone wrong, you will be able to acknowledge that, and you will be able to tell a different story, reframe a different story. That way you will gain greater wisdom and strength to deal with your situation. And that may be the reason that you have not found the person you like, guys. Maybe so the love you simply yearn for, you are not able to find because you need to change your perception, guys. So you need to tell a different thing, maybe see your situation from a different perspective. So that way you will be able to handle your situation better, and you will be able to get a better relationship, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys. So you no longer need to focus on all those mistakes or shortcomings that was there in the past. You can let all that go and move forward with that freshness in your mind when you have your vision based on a different perspective. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who have chosen this card, that is the reading. So let's see what is the third card with this crystal and this card. So what is the card? We have the Light Princess, ungrounded. So with this card, the energy is that, guys, we need to have compassion and empathy along with intelligence, guys. And life teaches us many lessons, and we become more and more compassionate, kind, and empathetic based on our experiences. And we should be able to relate to the other person we are with, maybe try to work with them, try to be really kind and compassionate to them, relate to that person. So when we are able to do that, when we are able to connect with that other person, we will be able to build a better relationship. And we should not stay aloof or isolate ourselves, escape from any any difficult situations. We should feel that true connection with the people we are with, help them in whatever way we can, maybe or we can be with them. Just relating with that other person is going to help us, or it is going to take us towards a beautiful relationship, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys, for you all today. And we should not try to escape from any difficult situation. Maybe escaping from a difficult situation, we can avoid that pain and stress, but we will not be in that connection, or we will not be able to build a meaningful connection. We will be alone, guys. We will isolate ourselves. So that is the energy here. So we should not isolate ourselves. We should go for that compassionate, grounded relationship. So that is the energy here. So thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.